Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. What we're doing today is we're doing the Summer Go-Tos tag. This tag was created by Little Miss Nat and Little Miss Lipstick here on YouTube. And I thought I'd do it since I saw so many other people doing it and so many of them had some fun answers. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So if you're interested on what's on my eyes today, I did use this Color Around the World palette, which I got at, I think it was Marshall's. So this one is a dupe for the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I believe it's called. It comes with a mirror and it comes with all these beautiful shades. I did decide to do like a blue look, so that's what's on my eyes. Let's get into the questions. Question number 1. So a lot of them are starting like, what's your summer go-to blank? Question number 1, what's my summer go-to outfit? For this, a lot of people, surprisingly, I felt like I was the only one because a lot of people have some cute outfits for the summer and stuff, but I'm not those people. I love to be comfortable, so you know, t-shirt and jeans. I was a very big shorts wearing person back in college. Like I would literally wear like the same pair of black shorts, and my sister and my mom could definitely say that that's true because I was just like a shorts person. Like I used to go shorts everywhere, and then I was into dresses a lot, but now I kind of transitioned into more comfort. Like I haven't worn dresses in I don't know how many years, so definitely I would say t-shirt, a loose t-shirt and some jeans, my go-to outfit, and maybe some like some flats and stuff, or tennis shoes. I try to stay away from black, even though it's like that's like my favorite color in clothing, hence the shirt right here, because black supposedly, you know, attracts the sun more and makes you more hot. But I do have a lot of black t-shirts, but that's what I tend to wear during the summer, just a t-shirt and some jeans. Summer go to summer vacation, and Las Vegas is a place where we've always gone. We've gone for years. Me and my family just go in the pool and go walk around. It's just been a place where we've always gone as a family, somewhere where I always want to go. I love going there, and at night, you know, all the lights are on, it's just beautiful. So I'd say Las Vegas is my summer go-to spot. It's just a place where I've always gone. I just love going there. Number 3, go to summer beverage, and I don't drink alcohol. I don't. So what I'd say is like a cold Diet Coke with some ice, especially if it's crunchy ice. Yes, that is my go-to summer beverage. Number 4, go to Glowy Product, and for this I said I would use my highlight, the Beauty Creations Angel Glow palette, and that's one that I used in Tuesday's video. If you haven't given that a watch, I'll have it linked down below. But it is a 4-pan highlight palette, and that's just one that I really love. I feel like that one gives you such a glossy, like wet look to your highlight without having to wet it, and that one's just beautiful. I'll put a picture of it if you haven't seen it, and that one's just really nice. I believe, I think it's only like $5 or something. Really beautiful. I'll definitely have to choose that one as my favorite glowy product for the summer, just because I don't like liquid highlights. So yeah. So number 5, summer go-to hair removal process. I would say, shaving, but like I said, I don't wear shorts, so I don't know. I'd still say shaving my legs. And if we're talking about eyebrows, I love waxing them and getting them done during the summer, but that's usually when I get the most lazy, so that's why they're like a little scruffy right now. But yeah, so I'd say shaving. Number 6, summer go-to makeup product. And for this I said a setting spray, preferably my Wet n Wild coconut setting, the 3-in-1 setting spray. That's just one that's really beautiful. I do have to repurchase. I did run out. That one was in my Beauty Empties video, and yeah, it's just something that hydrates your skin. For me, I am oily, so I felt like that one did an amazing job at hydrating, but keeping me at a like not super dewy look, but like kind of like hydrated but not oily kind of situation. I really love that product, and I do need to repurchase. That's the one that I would choose for this category. And then number 7, summer go-tos, summer picnic or backyard cookout dish. And I'm pretty sure I've never shared this on my channel, but I actually don't know how to cook I mean, I do know how to make eggs and maybe an egg sandwich, but there is some stuff I really enjoy eating during the summer, and that's like homemade burgers and fries, because that's just something that my mom used to make a lot. And yeah, that's something I look forward to, like homemade burgers, homemade fries. You know, that's just, it's so good. Or anything with mashed potatoes, oh my god, or macaroni and cheese, potato salad, mashed potatoes, anything with potatoes or cheese, I'm into it. So yeah, and we made it to the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this. This is such an amazing tag, Little Miss Nat and Little Miss Lipstick. Thank you so much for creating it. It was definitely one that helps you kind of celebrate the last little weeks that we have left before we go back to work. And it's just so fun. I've really been enjoying my summer. I've really been enjoying getting to know you guys and getting to know your videos, and you guys are both really amazing. If anyone wants to recreate this video, I'll definitely have the questions down below, so if you want to copy them or whatever. The tag creator videos will be linked down below, as well as the tag recreators, people that I watched that I really enjoyed their video doing this tag. They'll also be linked down below. In the description box, you'll also notice that there's some videos that I uploaded from last week. If you want to give those a watch, they'll be down there. I post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday if you're interested. I would love it if you could subscribe and like this video. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.